morning all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, in our last class we discussed reaction of metals with water. Is it? Yes. This metal is react with water to form metal hydroxide and H2 gas. Is it? Yes. We already discussed about this sodium and potassium. Is it? The sodium and potassium are highly reactive metals. So they react with water to form sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Along with the formation of sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Is it? We already discussed in our last class. Yes. During this reaction, what happened? The sodium and potassium, they are highly reactive metals. So sometimes it may catch fire. So that's why we kept the sodium and potassium in kerosene. Yes, we already discussed. So today we are going to discuss about magnesium. Okay students, we already know the magnesium is less reactive metals compared to sodium and potassium. Is it? This magnesium is less reactive metal compared to sodium and potassium. When we treat this magnesium with cold water, what happened? It will react, but the reaction take place very slowly. But when we react this magnesium with hot water or steam means stream means hot water with vapor, that is steam. So when we react this magnesium with hot water or steam, it will form magnesium hydroxide. Along with the formation of magnesium hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, next one is iron. We already know iron is very less reactive metals compared to sodium, potassium and magnesium. Is it? This iron is very less reactive metals compared to sodium, potassium and magnesium. So this iron will not react with hot water. But when we pass stream over the iron, then they will react with water to form iron hydroxide. Along with the formation of iron hydroxide, they will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay. So the iron will not react with hot water, but this iron is react with passing stream over them. Then the iron is react with water to form iron hydroxide. Along the formation of iron hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay students, some metals like copper, iron, gold, they will not react with water. Yes, this copper, silver, gold, they will not react with water. Okay students, all of you understand this reaction of metals with water? Okay students, known as reaction of non-metal with water. Students, generally non-metals, they do not react with water. Even though they react with oxygen, but they do not react with water. Because of this reason, some non-metal like phosphorus, we kept this phosphorus in water. Because when we expose this phosphorus into air, it may catch fire. That's why we kept this phosphorus in water. Okay, all of you understand? Yes. See, non-metal do not react with water. Highly reactive non-metal like phosphorus is stored in water, because when we expose phosphorus into air, it catches fire. Okay, all of you understand students? We will see in our next class. Thank you.